Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to update Windows 11 on a device while using Chase Mobile, follow these simple steps to understand the process. Step 1. Understand that Windows 11 updates are system-level operations that happen on your computer, not through the Chase Mobile app. The Chase Mobile app itself is separate from Windows updates. Step 2. To update Windows 11, open the Start menu on your computer by clicking the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Step 3. Click on Settings from the Start menu, or press Windows key plus I on your keyboard to open Settings directly. Step 4. In the Settings window, select Windows Update from the left sidebar or search for it using the search bar at the top. Step 5. Click on Check for Updates button to see if there are any available updates for your Windows 11 system. Step 6. If updates are found, click Download and Install to begin the update process. Your computer will download the necessary files in the background. Step 7. Once the download is complete, you may need to restart your computer to complete the installation. Save all your work before proceeding. Step 8. After updating Windows 11, you can continue using the Chase Mobile website or app normally on your updated system for secure banking access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.